Incremental greetings, this is Palau, also known as William Palace. Today I want to share with you how you can move some branches from one collection to another. And here I have one case. So that's a brand new English collection, and you have everything pre-made and one folder for your own items. So I want to move my items from my main collection to here. So I will open my learning collection, and I think it's even called the same. Yeah, users own items. Select the parent, right click on it, export, transfer elements. Now I select the advanced English collection. Do you want to transfer the Yes, please. Do you want to also move the files if you are using sound files, pictures, and so on? Yes, and I'm not using storage on my learning collection. Mine is especially slow. I'm just importing 50 items, and look how slow it is. We're importing on the 100. I think for Chinese, I moved 5,000, and that took, I don't know, super long. The computer on to do the stuff while I was away. Okay, so we are done, and as you can see, it's called the same. So just for the sake of it, I will still use the default because this has a unique ID, internal ID. So I will move this here and delete. Okay. So the question now is, have I moved the stuff here, or it's a copy? So it is still on the source collection. So let's find out. So if now I go to the source collection, here I had on items, and yes, it is. It is a copy. So now I need to delete these. But before deleting this, make sure everything is as you expect. You may have this kind of error. That's because I'm using certain templates or fonts or styles that are only used on those items. So now they become unused. Okay, and that's it. I will suggest that's useful, for instance, when something is growing. Let's say, I don't know, for instance, you are into Stoicism and more Greek is coming up, more Greek, and eventually that will be so high priority, be a collection by itself, a standalone, just for Greek language.